my name is Nirali Balia from Endeavour Tuts. In previous tutorial I covered scalar data type and types of scalar data type each in details with example. In this tutorial we will learn about compound data type and types of compound data types each in details, and also I will show you how to use them effectively in the program. Let's talk about compound data types in PHP. Compound data is the data that can contain more than one value. PHP provides two compound data types including array and object. Let's talk about PHP array. An array is a variable that can hold more than one value at a time. An array index starts from 0. Each index of an array is unique and reference a corresponding value. Let's see the example of PHP array. Here to create a PHP file, array.php. Let's start writing a code. First of all, to create one array variable, in PHP, the array function is used to create an array. Save the code. Let's run the program. This is the output screen. Here to see the output of PHP array. Array of 3. It's defined total number of values stored in array. Array index start from 0. String of 3. It's defined length of the array value. Read is value of array. We will discuss more about array in PHP array tutorial. Let's talk about PHP object. An object is a data type that not only allows storing data but also information on how to process that data. An object is a specific instance of the class which serve as template for object. Objects are created based on this template via the new keyword. Every object has properties and methods corresponding to those of its parent class. Every object instance is completely independent with its own property and methods and can thus be manipulated independently of other objects of the same class. In PHP, object must be declared explicitly. Let's see the example of PHP object. Here to create a PHP file, object.php. Let's start writing a code. First, we must declare a class of object. For this, we use the class keyword. A class is structure that can contain properties and methods. First of all, to create a class using class keyword, class name is user defined. Inside a class, to create properties and method of this class, the data elements stored within an object are referred to as its properties, and the information or code which describe how to process the data is called the method of the object. Then after, to create object from the class, objects are defined as instance of user-defined classes that can hold both value and function. This is an advanced topic and we will discuss in detail in my upcoming tutorial for PHP object. Save the code. Let's run the program. This is the output screen.